Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Windows 11 installation USB with Rufus, complete with tweaks to skip TPM, secure boot, and online account requirements, so you can install the latest version on any PC, even older hardware. Ready? Let us jump in. First, grab the official Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft. Open your web browser. In the search bar, type Windows 11 ISO and hit Enter. Click the first official Microsoft link at the top. Scroll down to the section labeled Download Windows 11 Disk Image, that is ISO. Click the Download Windows 11 Disk Image button. Select Windows 11 from the drop-down, then click Confirm. Choose your language, like English United States, and click Confirm again. Hit the 64-bit download button. The file is about 5 to 6 gigabytes, so let it finish. Grab a snack. I will link it directly in the description to skip the hunt. While that downloads, download Rufus. Open a new tab in your browser. In the search bar, type Rufus and hit Enter. Click the official rufus.ie link at the top. Scroll down to the download section. Pick the standard version for your system, portable or installer. Either works fine, no setup needed. Rufus is tiny, just a few megabytes, so it grabs quick. Now, double-click Rufus to launch it. Click Yes if it asks to check for updates. Insert a USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes of space. 16 is better for speed. Back up any files on it first, because this wipes everything. Boot selection is empty. Click Select next to Boot selection. Navigate to your Downloads folder, pick the Windows 11 ISO, and click Open. Rufus detects it and fills in details like partition scheme, usually GPT for UEFI systems, but let us confirm yours. Press Windows key plus R to open Run. Type msinfo32 and hit Enter. In System Information, scroll to BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, leave partition scheme as GPT. If Legacy, click the drop-down and choose MBR. For target system, it auto-matches. Click Start. Here is the magic. Rufus pops up the Windows to Go or User Modifications window. Check Remove requirement for 4 GB or greater system RAM. These let you install on older hardware without blocks. Next, check Remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. This creates a local account option during setup. Under Local Account Creation, type a username like your name in the box. It auto-sets during install. Leave blank if you prefer to choose later. Check Set Region, disable data collection and BitLocker auto-unlock to skip privacy prompts and keep encryption off. Leave the Updated Bootloader option unchecked unless you want extra security. Click OK. Rufus warns that the USB will be formatted. Click OK to confirm. Now it copies files, verifies, and applies tweaks. This takes 5 to 15 minutes depending on your USB speed. Watch the progress bar. Do not unplug anything. When it hits 100% and says Ready, your bootable USB is done. Safely eject it. Using it for upgrades or clean installs, even on unsupported hardware, check out my dedicated installation tutorial video linked right here in the description. It covers everything from booting to verifying the version. See you in the next build. Stay passionate about tech.